I am Mrs. Visalaji, working as a teacher in Trinity Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Namakkal. Now we are going to see 7th Standard GK, Chapter 20, Indian Discovery. The ancient mathematician Bingala is credited with the first use of binary number. The Bakshala manuscript continues the world's oldest recorded use of the zero symbol. Is imported indigo dye from India in ancient times. The people of Mohenjo-daro were the first use of buttons made out of shells. The weighing scale was the first used by the Indus Valley civilization. Tipu Sultan was the first to use military rockets encased in iron cylinders in his fight against the British East Indian Company. Brahmagupta developed a formula to find the area of any quadrilateral whose corners touch the insides of the circle. The eighth one is wood steel was a superior quality of steel manufactured in southern India. Decimal system was divided by ancient India. The last one of this lesson is Shushruta was the first to perform a surgical technique in which skin from the forehead is used to reconstruct the nose. Chapter 21, Famous Indians. Girish Karnad was a leading playwright in the Kannada language. Besides being a great actor, film director, and writer, Soil J. Sarabji is an eminent jurist and a champion of human rights and freedom of expression. The ancient mathematician Bingala is credited with the first use of binary number. The Bakshala manuscript continues the world's oldest recorded use of the zero symbol. Remo de Souza is a well known choreographer who also judged dance reality show on TV. Next one is that is sixth one is N.R. Narayana Murthy is a co-founder Infosys in 1981, which is today a global IT company. Arundhati Bhattacharya is the first women banker to become the chairperson of the State Bank of India. The next and last one of this lesson is Meghna Gulsa is a leading filmmaker whose film is include Talwa and Rakshi. Now, chapter 22, The Joy of Reading. This book is about a young boy and his escapers. He lived in a small town along the Mississippi River with his aunt Pauline, half brother Sid, and cousin Mary. He is always getting into trouble and thought he get frequently sparkings from his aunt. He managed to win her over with his wit and charm. And Alasco Cosaro is absorbed with the legend of knights errant who rushed off to kill dangerous, rescue princess, and earn the eternal gratitude of the king and the people. He decided to become a knight errant himself and embark on adventure with his squirrel Sanso Panto, a dim-witted village peasants. Prince Rudolph, the rightful heir of Roodstonia, is abandoned by his ambitions, half brother on the eve of his coronation, so that he cannot attend the ceremony while the prince is kept imprisoned in case. An Englishman on a holiday who bear a strong resemblance to him is made to take his place at the coronation. A little boy grows up in a workhouse run by a cruel Mr. Bumble. He has a miserable childhood, is underfed, ill treated, and overworked. He manages to escape to the street of London, where he meets Fagin and his band of young pickpockets in return for food and shelter. He is trained in the art of picking pockets. Young girl Dorothy and her pet dog Toto are swept away from the home by a cyclone. They find themselves in a magical land of oaks and have a wonderful adventure with the Squad Crow, the Tin Woodman, and the Cowardly Lion. D. Atagnant and his friend Athos, Porthos, and Aramis are part of the French king's royal guard. They are sent on the secret mission to England to recover diamonds belonging to Queen Anne of France. In this session, we discuss Indian discovery, famous Indians, and the joy of reading. Thank you.